Ever felt like you needed the latest iPhone, those trendy sneakers, or even a $7 coffee? You're not alone. What if I told you, it's not just you, it's all part of the plan? Brands are playing a game, and guess what? We're the pawns. Let's uncover how they trap us. From the moment we wake up and check our phones, brands are there. They're not just selling products, they're selling lifestyles, emotions, and even your identity. But why is this so important? Because the more we buy into their messages, the more power and money they gain. Understanding how they do this is the first step to breaking free. Host. Today, we're breaking down the psychological tricks brands use to keep us hooked and how you can take back control. Quick question, what's the one product or brand you absolutely can't resist? Drop it in the comments below. I'm curious to see how many of us are hooked by the same traps. Let's talk about 3 major traps brands use to keep us coming back for more. 1. The scarcity effect. Only 5 left in stock. Or sale ends at midnight. Sound familiar? Scarcity makes us panic and buy things we don't even need. It's all about creating urgency. 2. Emotional manipulation. Brands don't sell products, they sell feelings. That car? It's not just transportation, it's freedom. That makeup? It's not just beauty, it's confidence. They tap into our emotions to make us think their product is the solution to our problems. Ever stayed loyal to a brand just because you're part of their rewards program? That's the trap. They make you feel like you're saving money, but in reality, you're spending more to stay loyal. These are just a few of the ways brands keep us locked in. The next time you're tempted to buy, ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I falling for their tricks? Here's the good news, you have the power to break free. By recognizing these traps, you can make smarter choices and take back control of your spending and your life. Don't let brands define you, define yourself. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, because knowledge is power. See you next time.